In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record time spent on a task in Wrike. Tracking your time in Wrike is a simple but powerful way to understand where your effort is going, keep projects on budget, and report accurately to your team or clients. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic flow of adding a manual time entry to a task, step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and that you're in the correct folder, project, or space where your task is located. On your screen, you'll see a list of tasks in a table or list view. Start by choosing the task you want to log time for. You can do this by clicking directly on the task name. This opens the task panel on the right side of your screen, where you can see details like the description, assignees, dates, and other fields. Once the task panel is open, look for the time tracking area. If you haven't logged any time yet, you'll see something like Zirojuku displayed next to the timer or time log section. Next to that, there will be a small arrow or drop-down icon. Go ahead and click on that arrow on 002. This tells Wrike that you want to add a manual time entry instead of using the live timer. After clicking the arrow, a small time entry window will appear. Here, you can type in the amount of time you actually worked on this task. You might enter something like €30 for 30 minutes or $1.45 for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Take a moment to double check your formatting and make sure the hours and minutes reflect the work you completed. If your team uses notes or categories, you may also see additional fields to describe what you did during that time. Adding a short, clear note can make reporting and reviews much easier later on. When you're happy with the time you've entered, the final step is to save it. To do that, click on the Add Entry button in the time entry window. Once you click Add Entry, Wrike updates the task to show the total time logged. You should now see that the previous 00 ku has changed to the amount you just recorded, and this will be included in any time reports or workload overviews that use this task. That's all there is to it. By selecting the task, opening the time entry, typing the duration, and clicking Add Entry, you can quickly and accurately record your time spent on any task in Wrike.